The monthly utility bills in a city are normally distributed with a mean of $100 and a standard deviation of $12. Find the probability that a randomly selected utility bill is, and part A says, less than $70. So the picture would look like this, and we would type normal CDF. The lower bound is negative infinity, the upper bound is 70, and then we also want to enter in the mean and standard deviation. And this is equal to 0.0062. Part B says between $90 and $120. So that picture looks like this, and we would type normal CDF, the lower bound is 90, the upper bound is 120, and then again we need to specify the mean and standard deviation, and this is equal to 0.7499. Part C is more than $140, so that looks like this. We would type normal CDF, the left bound is 140, the right bound is infinity. We type the mean and standard deviation, and we get 4.2911 e negative 4. So what that means is we need to move the decimal place 4 places to the left. So our final answer would be 0.0004. Part D says events with a probability less than 5%, or as a decimal, 0.05, are considered unusual. Are any of the previous events unusual? So Part A had a probability of 0.0062. So that would be considered unusual because it's less than 0.05. And Part C, which is 0.0004, would also be considered unusual.